Here's a quick look at the emini S&P through the eyes of emini day trader for Friday, November the 19th, 2010. Well, a very quiet day. Looking at the profiles here as we like to do in order to gain a better understanding of what we think the condition of the market is from a day-to-day basis. Here's the profile from today, yesterday's, and the one in the middle is for the overnight session. We had mentioned on the video yesterday that we felt that the 93 area could act as support, and the next area up was around 1201. Well, as you can see, the market did dip below 93 in the overnight and also in the regular trading hours, and then have a fairly positive close. Not a bullish close, actually about the same close as yesterday. So really just a day of consolidation, and we're still suspect of this move higher. I think early next week the market must get above 1201 and then above 1203 in order to really confirm that this latest move off of the lows down there around 1170 are for real, and the market will then go back up to the 1220 area or so and test the contract highs. If it doesn't do that, this market could certainly turn right around and then start to sell off, and that's also a very real possibility. And if it does so, 82 is really the price it needs to get down below in order to confirm that. So we're still leaning more up than down, and our support area right now is also in around the 93 area as it was yesterday. And then below that it'll be at 88 and then 82. So that's really what we're looking at as far as support goes in the market. I'll just 93, 88, and then about 82. So those are the areas of support, and 1201 up here, and then 1203 as areas of resistance. So still leaning up, but doing that ever so cautiously. Here's the profiles produced from the regular trading hours only. In other words, does not include the overnight or Globex session. Here's our chart right here, and we actually we had a trade set up and triggered very late in the day. Actually, two of them, a short here and then a long here. The long would have been taken, but it was very late in the day. It was after the cash had closed, and the short trade, of course, we're not going to take in that late in the day. That was also late in the day. It was only about 10 minutes prior to the cash closing, and that was a short with a good green filter on, and still within the context of the intraday up auction. So obviously not wanting to take that trade either. So a very quiet day for us. There was other trades that some of our traders took, especially when the market came up here and accepted above the initial balance high, which gave our traders a couple of opportunities here to get long. So those are really the only kind of market logic sort of trades that we had today. They're not stipulated on the chart because they're not a systematic trade. They cannot actually be measured in that sense. So other than that, when the market did come down and hit the next support area on 88, it obviously found some support here. And as you can see, when the market sold off, gave us a buy signal here to get long here for participate in a good up movement at that time. However, it was not set up as a trade because the market had not actually formed one of our setups. So, in that sense, the reason being why that trade was not actually triggered, but from following the market using our software, this is one of the other main trade that traders would have been taking today. So at any rate, that'll be it for today. Any questions or comments, don't hesitate in contacting us. We can be reached at info@eminidaytrader.com, either through email or, of course, our phone numbers on the website. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Have a really good weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.